Today we'll be taking a look at the terminal block on this Whirlpool electric dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To access the terminal block, we do have to remove this electrical cover here. It's held on by 1/4 inch screw. Take that out, slide this off and set it to the side. Now with that removed, we have clear access to our terminal block here. Now the main reason why you'd be replacing your terminal block is if the unit is either not powering on or not heating, and when you go back here you may find that the terminal block has melted at one of these connections. It's actually pretty common. You may have to replace the power cord at the same time. Now in order to replace a terminal block, and if it is melted at all, you will want to replace it. You'll have to remove all 3 of these screws that hold on the terminals, followed by the 2 Phillips on the end. So we will remove these 1/4 inches first. Then let's get our screwdriver and remove these 2 Phillips on the sides. Then we'll start to pull down on the terminal block here. You'll want to pull off these, but they're kind of locked in. So what we'll want to do is turn it over, and on the back there's small locking pins that you can press in. Now we'll use a screwdriver. What we'll want to do is go in between each one of these locking pins and kind of bend it up so that you can slide it down. If you need to, turn it over and push in from the other side. Just do not get your hand. And then, once these are all pushed in, you can slide up and then pull out, slide up, pull out, slide up, pull out. We do not want to lose the nuts that are inside, and go ahead and set the terminal block to the side. When installing your new terminal block, before we put it on, we want to push back in each one of these locking tabs. So use your screwdriver or whatever you used and start to bend them in so that when it slides in, it will lock again. And you want them to be in there pretty far. And then get your new terminal block. If it does not come with the nuts, make sure you put those inside of it. And then one at a time, you will bring your wiring in, slide it underneath the back tooth, and then slide it forward to lock it in place. So let's bring it in, slide it underneath, and slide it forward, lock it in. And make sure we do not lose those nuts while we're doing that. Bring it in, slide it forward, lock it in place. Then let's go ahead and slide it up into the correct placement and get it ready to mount. Let's reinstall the first screw. Followed by the second one by our neutral strap here. Now at this point, I would recommend sliding the power cord in prior to putting in these, obviously. Put your power cord on, reinstall your 1/4-inch screws on the terminals. Do not over torque it. Next, we will put back on our cover plate, hook it on the front, bring in at an angle, and reinstall your screw. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.